Hello again for another vlog. Today we'll be going out an adventure at Tujak Lake. We're gonna go do paddle boarding, and my husband's there inflating the paddle boards, and now we're in the lake. And it's super cold, but it's fine as long as we experience paddle boarding. And magbisaya na ko kay English is so tiring, okay? So mo na ako gakumbana nag-moment sa lake, charot. And now nag-relax na lang mi sa kilid kay gipangkapoy mig paddleboard. And now padong mi sa among camping site, nangaot mi with friends, and kana nag-s'mores na siya. Pagod iyang s'mores pero lamay man gyapon guys, paski na pagod. So kaning mag-camping jud ta no, basta pag summertime sa Canada kay usahay ra ang summer diri. 3 months ra siya, and the rest of the months are tugnaw na. Mo nang ting summertime diri, mabuang gid tanan tao mag-camping, mag-hiking, bisag unsa na lang mag-travel. Kay kapag winter na, di na nimo tanan mabuhat imong gusto buhaton sa outdoors. So mo na siya guys, nag-campfire na mi, and chika-chika na lang hangtod matulog na. And that's me the next day. Sipping coffee and just waiting for my friends and husband to wake up because that's 5 a.m. in the morning. Then we started our trip on the second day. We just strolled around Banff, Emerald Lake, sa Takakau Falls. This is actually my most favorite destination I've been to. The other destinations I've already been there, but this one is only open for summertime. So we visited that time since it's still open and I want to see it in person. And it's so beautiful. So, mano to siya guys. Nice kaayo. Next destination I'm atuan kay Peyto Lake. Actually, hina ko diri nga sa gabi kasani mas tindot siya. But it's raining, but that's fine as long as everyone enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Thank you!